Did you know that Chrysler sales have increased for 48 months straight? That's because they're making the best cars and trucks right here in America. And Howard Wilson's been selling and servicing them for 35 years. That's because we take care of our customers and give the best deals. Hey, Tyrone, what's the bottom line?
New Ram 1500s, Challengers, Chargers, Darts, or Jeep Cherokees, only $199 a month.
That's right. Take your pick. $199 a month. Test drive Motor Trend's Truck of the Year at Howard Wilson Chrysler Jeep Dodge.